Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a really simple kid-friendly recipe. We are doing chili beans with cornbread muffin bowls. And I do have a helper here with me today, as you will see on video, so y'all stay tuned and see what we have going on. My daughter Jayla is in the video with me today, and in the next clip we're going to be going over the ingredients that we're going to be using. Here we have some dark red kidney beans. We have some ground beef. We have diced tomatoes. We have a medium-sized onion. We have a bulb of garlic. We have our chili mix. We also have our Jiffy cornbread mix. You can use any type. We also have our sour cream. And we have our shredded cheddar cheese. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and add in both of our 1 pound ground beefs. Then we're going to chop our onion. We're going to start by getting our ground beef torn apart. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and put our onion into our ground beef. We're also going to be adding some of the garlic that we've chopped up as well. Add in a generous amount of seasoning salt, black pepper, and then we're going to go ahead and get that mixed together. Once we get that mixed together, we're going to go ahead and put that on a medium heat and let that start cooking. Alright guys, so next we're going to go ahead and add in both of our chili packets. We're also going to add in both cans of our diced tomatoes. Once we get those in, we're going to go ahead and add in our kidney beans. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a stir. And we're going to get that put back onto the stovetop. Alright y'all, so here's the easy part. We're going to go ahead and get our cornbread put into the bowl. I am going to be using 2 boxes because I am going to be making the muffin bowls a little big. All you're going to do is follow the directions on the back of the box. As you see here, I'm putting in the milk. The next thing I'm going to do is add in the eggs. And after that, you just want to whisk it very well. Alright, so your chili's going to start bubbling. You want to put that on a low simmer and let that set for a while, just to go ahead and let those spices and the seasonings kind of get marinated together. That way your chili will turn out a whole lot better. And after this, we're going to go ahead and start getting our muffins put into our muffin dish. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and spray your muffin dish with a nonstick spray. Then I took my ½ cup and went ahead and started filling the cups with the cornbread mix. With the mix, you don't want to fill it completely up just because you want to give it room enough to rise. Once your cornbread muffins come out, you want to give them a few minutes to cool off, and then you're just going to take a butter knife and start going around the edges just to make sure they're loose That way you can pull them out without ripping them apart. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is once it's cooled off some, you're going to go ahead and just slice the top of the cornbread muffin off. And then you're going to take a spoon and just very gently scrape out some of the cornbread from the middle. Now do not throw this cornbread away because you can use that in just a regular bowl of chili. After you get that out, you're going to go ahead and start filling that up with chili. Do it kind of slow at first just to make sure that the cornbread muffin does not fall apart. Once you get your chili put in, you can start topping that with cheese or sour cream or both. Really any kind of topping that you would like with your chili beans. I know some people do use like a green onion. I, however, did not put that on here just because I know Jayla and my kids will not like it. But yeah, this is the finished product. It's a very simple recipe that you can do with your children. As you've seen in most of the video, Jayla was the one doing all the steps. I did make sure that I was the one cooking, just so she didn't get burnt. Here I'm going to go ahead and cut into it and kind of show you how it looks in the middle. You can add as much chili as you want. I just added this much just so it wouldn't be too messy for the kids. But thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions, and like and subscribe. Have a good night.